Hello students, I hope you all are fine. And now in this video we are going to do the map of India. Which map of India? India's total length, right, as well as India's size and extent. India's size and extent. As you all know that India is the seventh largest country and occupies only 2.4% of the world's total area, that is 3.28 lakh square kilometer. And India is the seventh largest country. I told you one word, Rakuba. RCUCBA. R for Russia, C for Canada, U for USA, C for China, B for Brazil, A for Australia, and I for India. And India's latitudinal extent. India's latitudinal extent is 37 degree and 6 minutes north. It is 37 degree and 6 minutes north, right? It is given here, that is 37 degree and 6 minutes north. The northernmost tip of India, that is 37 degree and 6 minutes north. Why it is north, I'll tell you. And in the south it is there 8 degree and 4 minutes north. It is there 8 degree and 4 minutes north. This is the main land extent in south, that is 8 degree and 4 minutes north. I am telling you north. The position is in south, India's south, but the degree is in north. What is the reason? Because India is completely lying in the north and eastern region. Let's see. Suppose this is earth, this is equator, these are the poles, this is Tropic of Cancer. Here India lies, and this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, and this is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north. India lies in which hemisphere? India lies in the northern hemisphere. India lies in the northeastern hemisphere. That's why we are taking the position in north as well as in east as well as in east, right? Let's see. So there India's latitude, it starts from here. You can see from this point to this point, it is there in north. You can see 36 degree north is given, and upside it is increasing. And what is the exact position of the India's mainland extent? That is 37 degree and 6 minutes north. See, this is 36 here, 36 degree north it is given, but India's is 37 degrees and 6 minutes north. What is given here? North is given, that's why we are taking in north, right? Next thing is given here, that is 8 degree and 4 minutes. If question will come, what is the India's main land extent, that is in south, that is 8 degree and 4 minutes north, right? And which is the southernmost point of India? That is Indira Point. It is here, that is Indira Point, INDIRA POINT, and its degree is 6 degrees and 4 minutes north. It is 6 degrees and 4 minutes north. That was submerged into water. Right? And what is the longitudinal extent of India? The longitudinal extent, this was latitudinal. Latitudinal means लेटा हुआ. right? Latitudinal means late hour. Longitudinal extent. Longitudinal extent will see from here to here. From here to here. It is there 97 degrees and 25 minutes. 25 minutes east. See, this is there, that is 27 degrees and 25 minutes east, right? This is there the longitudinal extent in the east, and in the west it is there 68 degrees and 7 minutes east. This is the longitudinal extent of India in the west. And one imaginary line divides the India into two equal parts, that is known as Tropic of Cancer. This line is Tropic of Cancer. What is the degree of Tropic of Cancer? That is 23.5 degree north. Why it is north? Because it is there, see, this complete area is in north because it is in the north of equator, and downside what is there, it is in the north of equator. Downside what is there, that is 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Cancer. That is Tropic of Capricorn. From here to here, what is there, from here to here, that is the 23.5 degree, that is 23.5 degree south. And here Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree, and here Arctic Circle, and these are the poles, North Pole and South Pole, right? I think you all have read in class 6, 7 and 8. This was there. And one line is there that is known as standard meridian. It is starting from the bottom. It touches the Sri Lanka. How it is there? Let's see. How it is there? Let's see. It is there. It starts from here. How we can learn it? It starts from this point. From bottom, it touches to the Sri Lanka, and it goes from the UP straight line. It goes from the UP, that is 82 degrees and 30 minutes. That is 82 degree and 30 minutes. West east. 82 degrees and 30 minutes east, right? And what is there? That is standard meridian of India. We have opted this line we have taken this line for the time, Indian Standard Time. That is for the Indian Standard Time, the common time for the whole country. It passes through the Mirzapur, UP. Right? And next thing is there in this. Next thing is there, that east-west distance. The east-west distance of India is from here to here. The distance is 2933 kilometer. 2933 kilometer. This was there from east to west, and from north to south it is there. From north to south it is there 3214. It is given 3214, but you will write 3211 kilometer. What you will write? 3211 kilometer, right? I hope so it is clear to you all. And what is there? This is the coastal boundary of India. Coastal boundary, what was the total length of the coastal boundary including the islands? This was 7516.6 kilometer. This was 7516.6 kilometer, including the Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep island. If we will exclude the Andaman and Nicobar island, then what is the total boundary of total coastal boundary of India is? That is 6100 kilometer. right? And what is the land boundary? 15,200 kilometer. 15,200 kilometer. And the southernmost tip, that is Indira Point. That is Indira Point. I hope so it is clear to you. Please make the map. And another map is there, that is of India's state and capital. That is of India's state and capital. India's state and union territories as well as capitals. As well as capitals. Earlier, what was there? There were 29 states in India, but in 2019, what happened? Now there is a 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Yes, 8 union territories in India. But how 8 are there now? Now Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, 2 separate union territories are there. This Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir are the separate union territory, and Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is considered as one. Next is there Delhi, next is there Chandigarh, and next is there Andaman Nicobar as well as Lakshadweep, and next is there Puducherry. Total how many are there? 8 union territories are there. And total how many states are there? 8 states. Sorry, 28 states are there. Number 1, Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. Number 2, Punjab. Capital Chandigarh. Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. Uttar Pradesh. Capital Lucknow. Rajasthan Jaipur. Gujarat Gandhinagar. Maharashtra Mumbai. Madhya Pradesh Bhopal. Bihar Patna. Jharkhand Ranchi. Odisha Bhubaneswar. Raipur Chhattisgarh. Hyderabad Telangana. Andhra Pradesh Amravati. Karnataka Bengaluru. Goa Panaji. Kerala Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu, that is Chennai. Andhra Pradesh Amravati I told. Odisha Bhubaneswar I told. West Bengal Kolkata and Sikkim Gangtok. Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar. Assam Dispur. Meghalaya Shillong. Tripura Agartala. Mizoram Aizawl. Manipur Imphal. And last but not the least, Nagaland, that is Kohima. Right, these are the 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar I told. These are the 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura. These are known as the 7 sisters of India. These were the 28 states and 7 union territories and their capital. 8 union territories and their capitals. You have to fill this in your atlas and you have to submit to me by Saturday. So fill it, do it. If any problem is there, then ask. Okay, stay home, be safe, be healthy. Thank you. And you have to submit to me by Saturday. Thank you.